was hard to navigate those bumps as they were moving up in price, because it was like, oh, well, rent's not really following, or sales prices aren't really following. Like, why is stuff trending upwards? How did you cope with that?
This one was very scary to me. I took a lot of time to underwrite it. I called my realtor and I'm like, do you really feel like this is going to sell? She told me 265. And I said, there's no way. This thing was only worth 130, 140, 5 to 10 years ago. And she said, I've got comps. I've got all this. We've passed inspection. Appraisal's done. It's at a point now that I'm like, okay, prices are not going down. It's in the price per square foot. You just have to adapt with the changes. But I think no matter what, I was in it still really good. And when I first started, my whole concept was, what's worst case scenario? If I buy it, I can't flip it, I can rent it. So even with this one, I was in good enough that if I had to, I could refinance it and I could just rent it out and I could cash flow on it in worst case scenario.